In this video, we're going to be walking through the running simulations topic in the InfoWorks ICM Basic tutorial. So we're going to be setting up a simulation to start. So we are going to start by right-clicking on Run Group and go to New InfoWorks and then Run. And we'll get this Run window pop up. I'm going to make it a little smaller so we can see it here. So we give the run group, or I'm sorry, the run a title. We're going to call it Langley Observed 4. That was step B. And then we are going to drag the Langley Network TUT network into the InfoWorks network window. And you might get this message saying that the network has not been validated before committing. So it can't be used in a simulation. So we'll click OK, and that just means that we need to go ahead and validate this network. So we're going to right click and open, and then we're going to go ahead and validate it. And we just have some warnings. That's not a big deal. So we're just going to go ahead and we validated. We're going to go ahead and commit those changes. So I'm just going to say, okay, and I can close that and try it again, and it should be successful. Great. Okay, so now we want to include a rainfall group. So we're going to use the rainfall event that we imported a few exercises ago. And then we want to drag the Langley wastewater group into the run to use for dry weather flow. And in the run parameters portion, we want to go ahead and set the finish duration in minutes, and then we're only going to run for 180 minutes. So we should look like the run window should look like what we see here in the tutorial. And so then we can go ahead and run the simulation. I'm going to have to scroll over here, click on Run Simulation, and you'll get this window pop up. I'm going to go ahead and just run it on this computer and store my results locally and click OK. And I can open up a few windows to look at the progress of this run. Looks like it already finished. Let me see. Yep, it's already finished, so we didn't get to view much of that. But it should look like this when the simulation is running. And so now it looks like results have been generated, so we can go ahead and look at results, which we will look at in the next exercise.